Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I talk about astrology, numerology, and hopefully in the future other things like meditation and yoga. So let's just get started. Before we dive into the video, I would like to address that these are strictly just the archetype of Leo. This video isn't strictly Leo Sun, Leo Moon, Leo Rising, Leo Venus, Leo Mars, Leo Mercury. Although, if you have a Leo Sun, Venus, Moon, Mercury, Mars, or Ascendant, you may relate to these qualities that we are going to go over today. With that being said, this video is meant to be informative, not personalized, but if it is personalized for you, please take what resonates and leave the rest. So the first thing I would like to go over with you guys, Leo's archetype is the lion, representing strength, courage, and royalty. Leos often exhibit lion-like traits, such as bravery, assertiveness, fierceness, and protecting those that they care about. Lions are social animals. Leos can be social animals as well, but I just want to go over some things that lions do, or some of the characteristics of an actual lion, right? They're social animals. They live in prides. And for those that don't know, a pride is pretty much just a unit of lions. It's a family unit, but it's a lion unit, okay? Their social structure fosters cooperation and support within their pride. Lionesses in a pride cooperate with raising the cubs, meaning they take turns babysitting so other lionesses can rest and hunt, which helps maintain the pride's overall well-being and increases their cubs' survival rate. Lions are powerful and physically strong creatures. They possess muscular bodies and sharp claws, which help them hunt and protect their pride and themselves. Lions are known for their bravery and fearlessness. I live not even 30 minutes away from an airport, and there are airplanes just back to back to back, so I'm so sorry if the noise, if you guys can hear it. I'll try to put on a noise reduction in this video, but I just had to make that little note there because it's kind of annoying. I honestly am not fond at all of living near planes. Lions display remarkable courage when dealing with challenges, whether it's hunting intimidating prey or defending their territory from threats. Lions are highly protective of their pride members. Male lions defend their territory from intruders, while female lions work together to protect and care for their cubs. Male lions often exhibit leadership qualities within their pride. They play a crucial role in maintaining order and safety, making important decisions for the pride's well-being. Lions engage in social grooming within the pride. This affectionate behavior involves licking and nudging with their noses and stuff, and it strengthens their bond that they have with each other. They're very close with each other in their pride. With all of that being said, Leos also demonstrate some of these qualities, being very protective of themselves and their loved ones and their pride. Pride being used as the actual human definition of pride. But they're also very much go-getter types. We'll talk more about that later in the video. Moving on. Leo's planetary ruler is the sun, right? And although the sun isn't technically a planet, it's actually a star, we consider it a planet in astrology. When we're talking about astrology, it just makes things so much simple to call the sun a planet. So the planetary ruler for Leo is the sun, which is considered the center of our solar system. Similarly, Leos tend to see themselves as the center of attention, radiating warmth and energy, life, right? wherever they go. They enjoy being in the spotlight and have a natural flair for drama and performance. Understanding the sun's house position in your birth chart is very important. It provides valuable insights into your identity. The house position of the sun reveals the area of life that holds the most importance to you. For instance, if your sun is in the 10th house of career and reputation, that becomes the focal point of your ambitions and aspirations. I just want to give another example. So if your sun is in your 5th house, your whole identity and ambitions and aspirations will be involved with your creativity, your hobbies, your children, because that is the house of creativity, hobbies, and children. It's the house of other things as well, but just to keep it basic, there's that. The house the sun is in sheds light on that house, in that house, because the sun is literally a star, so it shines. So whatever house it's in, it's going to shine. You're going to shine in that area. You're going to probably know a lot about that area, lead in that area. The sun reflects your sense of self, your ego, your identity. What do you identify with? That's your sun. It's how you express yourself to the world. The house where the sun is placed influences your interactions with others and the types of people you attract into your life. Additionally, it can highlight the challenges and life lessons you may encounter in the related issues of the houses. Lastly, in some cases, the sun's house position may also reveal the influence of the father or fatherly figures in your life. Altogether, the sun's house placement plays a significant role in shaping your personality. Leo's element is that of fire. Leo is one of the 3 fire signs, the other 2 being Aries and Sagittarius. The fire element embodies passion, enthusiasm, creativity, and achievement. The fire element is masculine and active. Leos are known for their limitless energy and their infectious optimism, making them natural-born leaders and motivators. Being social and charismatic, Leos often enjoy having a wide circle of friends and acquaintances. Their natural warmth and generosity and outgoing nature make them likable and approachable, attracting people to their magnetic personality. Leos thrive in social settings and are usually very comfortable in the company of others, which contributes to their ability to build and maintain friendships. Leo's modality is that of fixed nature. Leo is a fixed sign, one of the 4 fixed signs, and I'll list them all. There's Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, and Scorpio. Those are the 4 fixed signs. All the fixed signs fall in the middle of a season. Fixed signs are seen as stable, dedicated, determined, patient, focused, and stubborn. They're able to finish what they start and stay true to their word. Leos are steadfast, loyal, and possess an unwavering determination to see their goals through to an end. However, they can also resist change and may need to learn how to adapt to certain situations. Leo is associated with masculine energy, emphasizing assertiveness, strength, and leadership. The energy tends to be more outward instead of inward and more assertive and dominant. All the air and fire signs are masculine energy. Leos are known for their bravery and confidence. They aren't afraid to take risks and to pursue their dreams. Their self-assuredness can inspire others and often leads them to succeed in their endeavors. Leos have a strong creative streak and are naturally drawn to artistic pursuits. They often excel in performing arts, dance, music, or any other form of self-expression such as acting. Their creative talents are fueled by their desire to captivate and entertain others. Leos are generous with their time, their resources, and their love. They have extremely big hearts and enjoy showering their loved ones with affection, affirmations, and gifts. Their warmth, like the sun, and their charisma make them popular and well-liked by others. Leos need recognition and appreciation. They thrive on praise and acknowledgement for their efforts, which can sometimes lead them to seek validation from others. But if you praise a Leo, almost always they will return that favor. They'll praise you back. Of course, it depends on the individual, but the energy of Leo isn't dismissive of praise. It needs it, so it's very appreciative of it, and it knows how that feels and wants to return the favor. As natural leaders and entertainers, Leos often find themselves in various social gatherings or events where they can shine and be the center of attention. Their desire for attention, recognition, and appreciation also motivates them to expand their social network. Leos have a natural leadership quality that draws people toward them. They have the ability to inspire and motivate others, and their natural magnetism makes them influential figures in various social and professional settings. In summary, the Leo archetype encompasses qualities of strength, courage, creativity, and leadership, combined with a need for recognition and a magnetic personality. When balanced, Leos can be inspiring and compassionate leaders, using their energy and charisma to positively impact the world around them. However, they should also be mindful of potential challenges such as excessive pride, ego, and of the need to adapt to change to fully embrace their true potential. I love you. But that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope this video was informative. I hope it was insightful. I hope you learned something. I hope that you comment down below and let me know how you feel about it. And also, if you like this video and want to see more content from me, please don't forget to subscribe. I would highly appreciate that. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.